up, what up? Today in fourth grade math land, we are going to learn about subtraction. I'm the math teacher, Goat, and as usual, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tell your friends and family all about me. You're going to want to get some paper and some pencil because I'm going to do some problems, and then you're going to do some problems, and we're going to check each other's work. Well, I'm going to not check your work because I'm on a screen, and you're going to check your own work. Anyway, let's begin. Let's start out by some regular old subtraction problems. Now, you know from looking at these, you know from third grade that sometimes you may have to borrow from the next place value over. That will happen here. So keep that in mind as we do some of these problems. Is that going to happen right away? I don't know. But let's go to the ones place value, which is the one all the way to the right, and we're going to start out by doing 9 minus 2. Now, 9 minus 2 is 7, so drop down the 7. Nothing crazy about that. Go to the tens place value. 1 minus 1 is 0, so put 0 down there. Nothing crazy about that. Go to the 4 or the hundreds place value where the 4 is, and 4 minus no number is just 4. So 419 minus 12 is 407. Nothing to lose sleep over. Now the next one we're going to have to bring back some borrowing. Bring back borrowing. BBB. No. We have 0 minus 2 to start out. Remember, you start in the rightmost column. Rightmost column. So 0 minus 2. Well, if the number is small minus bigger number, then you can't do it. So you have to borrow from the next number over, the next place value. So what we'll do is, since I can't do 0 minus 2, I'll borrow 1 from 9 and make it 8. Okay, and then turn that 0 into a 10. So now I have 10 minus 2, which is 8. Now go to the tens place value, 8 minus 8, which is nothing. And so if you want to, you could rewrite this out and make it look prettier and just say 8. But remember, if you're trying to do small number minus bigger number, you have to borrow from the next place value over. Take a 1 from it, subtract 1 from that number, and borrow. Okay, so let's see what happens here. We've got 5 minus 4 in the ones place value. I could do that. That's 1. Then I could do in the tens place value 1 minus 7. Well, you know what? That won't work. I can't do 1 minus 7. So what I need to do is borrow 1 from 6 and make it 5. Put a 1 there, and now I have 11 minus 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Go to the next place value. 5 minus 3 is 2. And you get 241. Okay? So, if you have scrap paper and pencil ready, pause the screen, try these two on your own, and when you're done, come back. Welcome back. We have 461 minus 330. So let's go to the ones place value. 1 minus 0 is 1. Nothing crazy there. Go to the tens place value. 6 minus 3 is 3. Nothing crazy there. And then go to the hundreds place value. The next column over. 4 minus 3 is 1. Nothing crazy there. Let's try it again. 0 minus 5. Can't do it. Small minus big, can't do it. So we borrow 1 from 7 and make it 6, and then make u a 10. So now I have 10 minus 5, which is 5. Now go to the tens place value. 6 minus 5 is normal, 1. And then 3 minus 2 is also 1. 370 minus 255 is 115. The hat's coming off. I don't need it. Bye, hat. Let's show the world what I really am made of, which is nothing. In here, something, but up here, nothing. My King Triton. Ooh. Now we have 4-digit numbers minus 4-digit numbers. My goodness, how are we going to do this? Well, I'm not scared. The same rules apply. You go to the ones place value and see if you can do it. 7 minus 9? No. So I borrow 1 from 8, turn that into a 7, and make this 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Go to the next one over. 7 minus 5 is perfectly fine. That's 2. Go to the next one over. 3 minus 3 is 0. Go to the next one over. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now this is 1028, so after those three numbers, we're going to make sure we put a comma there, just like we have here, 1028. Now we have 8,385 minus 1,851. So go to the ones column. 5 minus 1 is perfectly fine. That's 4. 8 minus 5, perfectly fine. That's 3. 3 minus 8, can't do it. So let's borrow 1 from 8 and make you 7 and turn you into 13. Now I could do 13 minus 8, which is 5. And then go back over to 7 minus 1, which is 6. This is a thousands number, so 1, 2, 3, put a comma right there. Pretty exciting stuff. Let's do another. 7 minus 4, go to the ones place column. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 2 and make you a 1, and turn 4 into a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Ooh, another one. 1 minus 6, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 6 and make it 5. Make you 11, and now we have 11 minus 6, which is 5. So sometimes we borrow more than once. Crazy. 2 minus 3 is 2. 2,553. Don't forget your comma. There you have it. So why don't you try 2 completely on your own? Get that scrap paper out, pause the screen, try these 2, and come back and check your work. Welcome back. Boy, did I miss you. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 8 and make you 7, and then call you 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1, 2, 3 digits. 5,223 is our answer after we put the comma down after those 3 digits. So we borrowed once there. Let's see what happens here. Go to the ones place value all the way to the right. 3 minus 0 is 3. No big deal. 0 minus 9, I can't do it. So let's borrow 1 from 8 and make you 7. So you'll become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. Put the comma there. 2,513. Did you do it right? You did. Good. Good. Now 2 more rounds. Okay. 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, 6 and 5. Ooh. Ooh. Just going to make a bunch of noises. Go to the ones place value. The same rules apply. Don't lose sleep. 5 minus 1 is 4. No big deal. 6 minus 9. I can't do it. So we're going to borrow 1 from 7 and make you 6 and turn you into 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Go to the hundreds. 6 minus 5 is 1. Go to the thousands. 4 minus 6. Can't do it. So we borrow 1 from 7 to make you 6 and turn you into 14. Now I have 14 minus 6, which is 8, and 6 minus 2, which is 4. So 1, 2, 3 digit make, comma, 1, 2, 48,174. Okay? Let's do some more. 6 digits. Oh! 3 minus 6, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 6 and make it 5. Turn you into 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. No big deal. 5 minus 7, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 5 and make you 4. And then turn you into 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 6, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 9 and make you 8. So you're now 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 8 minus 9, can't do it. Cross out a 9, make you 8 and turn you into 18 because we're borrowing. 18 minus 9 is 9. And then last but not least, 8 minus 7 is 1. 1, 2, 3 digits, comma, 1, 2, 3. 197,187. That was pretty intense. Are we about to go camping? Because that was intense. Tense. All right, we've got one more of these and then two more after that, and the video is going to be over, so let's just get to it. Go to the ones place value. 1 minus 9, can't do it. So let's borrow 1 from 8 and make you a 7 and turn you into 11. 7-Eleven, how convenient. 11 minus 9, it's a convenience store. 11 minus 9 is 2. 7 minus 8 can't do it. So let's borrow 1 from 2 and make you 1 and turn you into 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Good. On to the next one. 1 minus 1 is 0. Fine. On to the next one. 3 minus 4, can't do it. So we'll borrow 1 from 4 and call it 3 and turn you into 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 4, can't do it. So let's borrow 1 from 8 and turn you into 7, make you 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 again, and then 7 minus no number is just 7. So 1, 2, 3 digits, comma, 1, 2, 3. 799,092. So you try these two on your own. Pause the screen. Okay, try them. Come back. Check your work. We'll be done. Welcome back. Welcome back. We've got 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 6, nothing. 9 minus 9, nothing. So maybe what we do is, now that we have that down, we know there's going to be 1, 2, 3, a comma that goes there, but we don't need those zeros at the beginning. We had a problem like that at the very beginning of the video. So we'll just rewrite this as 3,745. And then circle it to show that we are complete. But we are not complete because we got one more of these guys to go. So let's just do it. We've got 2 minus 8, nope. So let's borrow 1 from 6 and call it a 5 and make you 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Go to the next one. 5 minus 1 is 4. Go to the next one. 1 minus 0 is 1. Go to the next one. 1 minus 6, can't do it. So let's cross you out and make you a 1 and make you 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 1 minus 3, can't do it. Let's borrow 1 from 2 and make you 1, turn you into 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 1 minus no number there is 1. 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit, comma, 1 digit, comma, no commas. 185,144. So there you have it, babies. We are done 4th grade substitution. Okay, pretty fun stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got a lot out of it. I hope you were practicing. And if you didn't, do it again. Watch the video on loop for the rest of your life, please. Also hit subscribe and like the video. Tell all your friends and family about me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.